Alright, here I'm going to be going through the functionality of the Stripe invoicing app that I created. So here in companies, we can create an invoice. This will preload with the customer, although I can choose other customers. I'm going to set to me. We have products here. So I'm going to say this is a development sprint. The price will then load up for that. We can also do custom prices, so I could say, this is going to be $1,000 or $5,000, but we'll use the pre-selected price here. Quantity, due date is a month from now, and now I will submit that. It's creating the invoice in the back end, and now I can click this button and open the invoice here. This is in test mode, but we have that 2,500 for the development sprint here, and that's all getting recorded in our Stripe account. So yeah, that is the functionality. The goal is basically just to speed up the invoicing process and make it so you don't have to leave Attio. Thanks.